Jiaogulan's incredible effect. Herb of immortality is the impressive name given to the medicinal plant Jiaogulan, which is native to southern China. For good reason, it is said to have a wide range of beneficial effects on the entire organism. Several scientific studies have demonstrated that this is not just wishful thinking. Characteristics and active ingredients. Jiaogulan is a gourd family climbing plant. Its leaves and stems contain a variety of active ingredients that are beneficial to our bodies. These include over 82 saponins, for example. The concentration here is 3 times higher than in ginseng, which has only 28 saponins. This plant ingredient has an antibacterial effect and inhibits or kills the growth of fungi and spores. Polysaccharides, flavonoids, amino acids, vitamins, minerals, and gypenosides are some of the other beneficial components. In addition to immune defense, the cardiovascular system as a whole is strengthened. The herb lowers cholesterol levels, lowering the risk of heart attacks, strokes, arteriosclerosis, and other diseases. It also improves blood lipid and blood sugar levels, which is important in the prevention and treatment of diabetes. The nervous system is also calmed and more resistant as a result of an adaptogenic effect. As a result, the body can cope with stress better and requires less recovery time after physical exertion, which is particularly beneficial for athletes. Furthermore, Jiaogulan not only contains antioxidants, but it also stimulates the body's own production of the crucial substance. Free radicals, which are responsible for inflammation and cancer development, are thus captured and rendered harmless. It not only lowers the risk of cancer, but it also protects cells from premature aging. As a result, the plant is said to have a revitalizing effect and is regarded as a natural anti-aging agent. Effects of healing. Anti-inflammatory. Reduces the rate of aging. Enhances heart function. Improves the immune system. Immune system assistance. Central nervous system fortification. Performance boosting effect. Alleviates exhaustion and fatigue. Lowering lipid and glucose levels in the blood. Quicker recovery from physical activities. The stimulation of metabolism. Control of blood pressure. Anti-cancer. Aids in weight loss. Flavonoids have antispasmodic properties. Adverse effects when taking Jiaogulan. There are no known side effects. Excessive consumption, as with any other medicinal plant, should be avoided. Dosage. 1 cup of tea usually requires 1 to 2 teaspoons of dried herb. Allow the boiling water to cool for a minute before infusing it. What should you look for in a product's quality? Jiaogulan should be grown naturally and harvested and dried gently. You can either buy ready dried and immediately usable leaves or grow your own plant to use. If you are looking for ready dried Jiaogulan, we highly recommend the following in the description. If you liked this video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends.